Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or disable YouTube autoplay in feed. So, if you just open the YouTube application on your iPhone, and then you discover that the YouTube is playing automatically, now you want to disable the autoplay in the YouTube feed, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable YouTube video autoplay while on the home or in YouTube feed, all you need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your iPhone. Click on the U button at the bottom right. Click on settings at top right. Then scroll down the page. Locate and click on playback. Now, once you selected playback, on the playback page, click on playback in feed. Then here you have three options available: always on, Wi-Fi only, or off. Now to turn off or disable video autoplay on YouTube or playback in feed, just select off and then hit the back button. Now if you go back to the YouTube page, refresh the YouTube page, you discover that the YouTube video is no longer autoplaying again. You see that? So for you to be able to play the YouTube video in the feed, you need to click on it manually. You see that? So that is basically how to disable or how to turn off YouTube video playing automatically. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.